black, yo. Queen.
What it do, baby boos? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another review. So today, y'all, I just really want to take the time out to say thanks to Haus of Juicsay for this amazing body scrub, y'all. Like, I absolutely fell in love with this body scrub. Like, let's just give a moment of silence for it. This is the grapefruit flavor. It smells really good, but to me, honestly, I don't really get the grapefruit smell. I get like, I felt like I smelled like a cake. Like, I smelled like I was eatable after I got out the shower. Like, in my skin, like, to me, this smells like a cake. I don't get the grapefruit. Like, I really don't, but it smells so good, y'all. Like, the smell is absolutely amazing. Hey, babe, so let's get right into it. So this is the thank you card. Document the moments you feel most in love with yourself, what you're wearing, who you're around, what you're doing. Recreate and repeat. So this is what we got in the bag. This is how it came packaged to me. It was a pickup delivery. Haus of Juicsay, Frost, grapefruit, sugar scrub. Y'all, I absolutely love it, like I was telling y'all in the beginning. So I'm going to show you guys the consistency of it. Okay, so let's get into it. So of course I'm not going to get all the way in the shower. I'm just going to show y'all on my leg. I literally just rubbed it in, you know, and let it do its job. And as y'all see me apply the water to it, you can tell like how it keeps the skin moisturized. And in a couple seconds I am going to get into detail so you can see how the water like just glides down my leg and the shine, the glisten afterwards. Like, look at that. Get into it. Like, look, my leg is glowing. Like, it's so moisturized. I am loving it. Like, that is one of my favorite things about this product. Make sure y'all get y'all some. Oh my god, like, look at this, y'all. I'm out of the shower. I have not applied anything to my arms or my legs, and it got that glow, that shine, that glisten. Like, yes, come through, Haus of Juicsay. I love it. Yes, sis. This body scrub, y'all, after using it and when I got the shower, I showed y'all in the video like how smooth my legs and stuff was. I didn't want to show y'all my whole body because y'all y'all doing too much of y'all thought y'all was finna see these, you know. I gotta stop playing. But no, for real y'all, like, my body felt so smooth. I felt like I did not have to put any oil on, because it was like it had my skin so soft, so smooth, and like so oily. Like, I didn't even have to put my shea butter on afterwards. But I absolutely love it. Love it. So y'all, I'm gonna list all that information down in the description box if y'all want to shop. And I also did want to mention that this product is 100% vegan and it is safe to consume as well. But y'all, the smell is what really got me. That's absolutely my favorite part about it. You know what, I can't even lie, I actually have two favorite things about this product: the smell and how it kept my skin like it was moisturized when I got out the shower. Like, it was like you just didn't want to stop rubbing on yourself. I'm like, oh my god. Like, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But yes, make sure y'all shop. I absolutely love it. I list everything down below. And I actually love their name too, y'all. House of Juicsay. And then like the spelling is different. Like I really like it. These are the little thank you cards to supporting women-owned businesses. Like I said in my last review, y'all, I am so proud of our black women just coming and just going crazy with these black businesses. Like our women we finna take over. Like my best friend got a clothing line. I just did a natural face review. Make sure y'all check that out. And that's where the skin is glowing. I mean, a Sense natural skincare. And now I'm doing a review on some black owned products with body scrubs, and they also have other things to offer as well. But check them out, please. I'm gonna list their Instagram and their website down below for y'all can shop. And I believe that's all I have for you guys. I hope this video was helpful. I hope y'all go get y'all some House of Juicsay. And yeah, it's lit. I love you guys oh so much. If anybody is looking for me to do any reviews for their small business or send me anything, my PO box is listed down below. And I definitely got you, so just let me know. I love you guys oh so much. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and I'm out. Peace.